It'll be a quick one today. This is bedside bug splashing or something, I don't know. But I can't switch on my camera. We are close to finishing cleaning up. I think once I'm done here, then I can go and do the first project and move. But again, I mean, I'm literally hiding to do this. So I'll probably just do another one-liner. And even though it's one line, you know, it is remove. So yeah. Okay, so to find a median where I thought this is what we did yesterday. Maybe it didn't work. To find a median, you need to find it in the middle number. Yeah, so we're using the array at the floor. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. Is the array value at the middle point. So at math the floor of the length divided by 2. And then we're going to console not log odd list median, and hopefully that works. Alright. I'm not going to push my luck. I'm going to end it there. Guys, keep showing up. Alright, peace. Excuse me.